There you go, boys. I'm at this church. Us Newfoundlanders. Because if not, I could replace them.
Oh, do you need a place to crash?
Yeah. I mean,
Bienvenue and welcome to the adventures of Timmy Leger. This summer's forecast looks like a full send for adventure as I travel 8,000 kilometers across the country on my bike to raise funds for children's cancer research and care and water development in Africa. This is the most recent on the adventure.
It's what it had to be. This is that late night working after 3, man.
there you go, boys. I'm at this church. I'm about to head out in the morning. It's Friday, boys. Happy summer. It's gonna be a good one. Alright, so I don't want to get my GoPro wet, so I'm talking like this. You can't really see much. But yeah, basically it's danking rain right now. There's absolutely pissing rain. So I'm all suited up, a little top layer anyway, and it's actually sunny in like a couple kilometers, but I hope the wind is coming I don't know which way the upper winds are, and I can't really tell what I'm moving with the clouds, so I hope that I'm biking into sun. Let's go, boys! Literally 3 minutes later, it's all like this. It's raining all around me. There's like these dark clouds in the back. Weather in Newfoundland's like nothing else you'll ever see in the world. Us Newfoundlanders. Till, I don't know, a truck comes by. An 18-wheeler, you get soaked once again. Oh, it just got mad dry after that rain and sunshine, and then now it go rain again. Welcome to Newfie. Alright, so here I am in Grand Falls, Windsor area, and whoa, it is a beautiful sunset about to happen. But there's this really cool area in the Grand Falls where there's like these big projections of rocks on this perfect ground right in front of it. But I show up there and they're having a bunch of indigenous people like events and like the whole Aboriginal teepee. Really interesting, but totally not my type because I'll be the only white person there. And all the Aboriginals, like, who the man's trying to be like part of us, you know? So like, I'm not really trying to like impede on what they're doing and all the teachings they're doing, so time to find a place to camp. Good, you? Whoa.
You biking through town?
Yeah.
Yeah, where from?
Montreal.
Oh.
Yeah. Chances.
Yeah.
Oh, is he gonna show up tonight? Because if not, I could replace him.
Oh, do you need a place to crash?
Yeah. I mean, I don't wanna be that guy, but like, if you're expecting someone and he's not coming.
No, I'm not expecting someone tonight. He was coming through. I don't remember. I have a couch in.
From, I flew to St. John's.
Jill, nice to meet you.
You want some fish and chips?
21, but like, it's just a thing that I got from Canadian Tire. There's no bike shops around here, and I'm only here for 6 months. So I had to get it from Canadian.
This is whoa, last fall. Okay, I can afford a pair.
Do the tablelands. Go to. You probably want to stay on the south side.
That's what. Yeah. That's the
But
plan.
you need to do this loop here.
No, I don't.
It's the most beautiful. I'll just show you.
Okay, I do.
pictures.
I have to. Cape North.
Cabot Trail. These people are biking the Cabot Trail. That's what they're doing.
That's actually so cool.
You can.
Last name ever, first name greatest. Like a sprained ankle, boy, ain't nothing to play with. Started off local, but thanks to all the haters, I know G4 pilots on a first name basis. In your city, faded off the ground.